Hello everyone, today I'm going to walk you through how to operate the winch on this vehicle. This is our manual winch. First, lift up the handle and pull it to the left. Turn on the power supply. Press the clutch pedal all the way down. Make sure the gearbox is in neutral and start the engine. Push the handle forward. Then slowly let off the clutch. Then slowly release the clutch pedal, and the winch cable will start extending out. Press the clutch all the way down again. Pull the handle all the way back. Then slowly let off the clutch, and the winch will start retracting the cable. Important note: during winch extension and retraction, keep the steel cable as straight as possible to prevent tangling. Press the clutch fully down. The winch will stay stationary when the handle is in the middle position. Put the hook back in place. After reattaching the hook, just tension the cable slightly. Once all operations are finished, return the handle to the neutral middle position. Put the handle back to its original spot, and cut off the power supply. That covers operating procedures for this vehicle's winch. See you next time.